Hello healthy people, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make natural recipe for cough, cold, fever and sore throat. It works like magic. Come with me, let's make it together. Okay, so let's go over what we'll be using. First is pineapple. Pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to build your immune system and fight against cough, cold and flu. Ginger has been used for medicinal purposes throughout history, and it has as an antioxidant that helps your body in releasing toxins that further result in the removal of infection and flu. Lemons. I love lemons. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and it has powerful antioxidants. It's filled with loads of benefits for the body. However, it helps nasal congestion and it also soothes sore throat. Black pepper is also loaded with vitamin C and it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which helps to keep infection at bay. Turmeric boosts immunity levels and it has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties which helps to protect us from varieties of infections. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a non-digestive and powerful anti-inflammatory. It stimulates the digestive tract and intestine and it also helps with nasal congestion. So guys, let's start with our preparation. Please don't forget to check the description box for the recipe, but then it depends on the quality the quantity of what you want to make. You can actually make in a bigger batch so you could drink it probably for 3 days consecutive of 3 days. So I'm just going to put everything together and blend them.
I'm the image of the loving God. He gave me a priceless gift, the Holy Ghost. Through me, God is revealed. I am saved eternally in Christ. I'm the the loving God, the loving God. He gave me a priceless gift, the Holy Ghost, the Holy Ghost. Through me, God is revealed. I am saved eternally in Christ. I have the way. I have. That's your reality. Come on.
Welcome back guys. Now we have a miracle natural recipe for cough, cold, sore throat and fever. Let me try it. Wow, it's so nice and it's soothing. So please, you can try this at home and give me feedback on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button. I wish you good health.